DMA, Direct Memory Access. If you are in a need for speed, you use DMA controller. From now on, DMA library can be found inside NECTO, which is kinda cool. As you may already know, Direct Memory Access, or DMA in short, is basically a physical controller which can be found inside microcontroller. And what does this DMA actually do? Well, you will be able to transfer information with exceptionally fast tempo. For example, you will be able to transfer data from peripheral, let's say SPI peripheral, to a buffer in microcontroller's RAM memory, and you will be able to do it fast. I mean really fast. And you will not use microcontroller's CPU. The CPU will be able to perform other tasks, which is brilliant. DMA controller uses channels to transfer data. You will be able to check what DMA channel a particular microcontroller can utilize, which is super useful. Then you just select your data you want to send over SPI protocol with the help of DMA controller, and finally start transferring the data fast. Okay people, one more MikroSDK library at your service.